In this video I'm going to show you how to add a new slide into Google Slides. As you can see, I already got a slide, but we want to add multiple slides into this project. Now what we can do, there are some different options to use. We can use the plus menu and just add a new slide, and then it will be added below the selected slide. But there is also another option. You can click on a slide where you want to add it, then click on Insert, and as you can see, we have different options over here. Now we will click on Templates, and as you can see, we can select a wanted template to use for our new slide. Let's say we want to use the first one. Now you can select it, and as you can see, there are different layouts we can use. Let's say we would like to use this one. And now you have successfully added a template slide into Google Slides.